Baby mother. What? How you do? Good morning. Wicked Simone. Done me done it here, you know. Well. Good morning. Me have to drink a water for cool me down. What's up? Good. Nikki, I wagwan. No, I want to come about. We have to talk about the crab bush. We have to talk about crab bush. Come make we talk. We have to talk. Where's the girl boss? We have to talk. Come make we talk. She. Good morning. Sandy Brit from over Canada. Don't know. Thanksgiving weekend over there. Long time of Thanksgiving no catch me over Canada. What me do now? What's up, Alice? Good morning. You look lovely this morning for me comment them. Jesus Christ. Anyway, make we get into it. Hero circle lockdown. Wicked smooth face. Done me done it you too, you know. Remember say one time I see in a life when I come to England. And you never look good when I see you. And I see you go a party and look good. You can't come look for Richie feelings and not look good. And you know me I go tell the whole world. You know me I go chat you. Eh? You know me I go chat you. Come talk about Richie. And you come about. Appeal him come about. Anyway. I go talk about it you know. Crab bush lockdown. Run a crab circle lockdown and I watch it and this morning I finally look on the video. And like how everybody see it, I see him where some see it. It don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good. First and foremost, you know, we look past surrounding anywhere we go. I always find we look at a video where we want a detective, where we want an investigator. And I see some people point out the bucket them and I say I want the bucket that where the crab them going at. I show the toilet tissue in. You understand? And to how things look, Alice was, it looked like she was the favorite out there. Everybody loves to love her soup and love her crab them. I know everybody have them customers and things, but Alice was the most favorite one. Despo, easy. Zane, we can laugh about it now, you know, because people make joke about it and things, but trust me, it not look good. Me know how people stay. One bad apple spoil the whole bunch. Zane, but I think I need a washout too. So I go and get a beer and some salt. I need a washout. So I need a beer and some salt. See? I need a beer and some salt. Because if a beer and salt mash it up so and make Alice go on with so much things, I knew remedy that. Beer and salt. Right? A hot beer too. Not no cold one. A hot beer. Everybody who come to Jamaica always want to go to Hero Circle. Alice is very famous. Alice, me nah bash you. But to you wipe your body and throw it in the bucket, in the crab bucket, there is no justification of that. And what we see we are talking about. And that is very shitty. You shit up. You shit up. And I bet you never bother do no interview. Because how Jamaica people stay, I bet you just don't do no interview. Because the more you talk, the more them run with you. You understand? So, to the lady who do the video, them threaten her. I just ask you a favor. Remember not the people them on this. I hope this message I go far. Don't do that lady anything. Because if anything should be do that lady, Alice go into jail. Alice go into prison. So, with all ignorance and all the chatter, all of the something them, don't trouble that lady. I think the lady reached her waist end. Because when I see the lady on the news at 7 o'clock news I watched last night. And I see the lady on the news that show a whole heap of time where say Alice shit up out there. So the lady tired. You understand? The lady tired. So everybody, the business locked down right now. It will open back. But for right now, them have to go just go do the necessary. We're a bathroom, have to go out there. Even the stationary one them have to go out there. You understand? But me I beg you no do. Don't trouble that lady. Tell the family and the friends and the loved ones and everybody who are get affected, leave that lady alone. Because if anything should hurt that lady, Alice will be in problem. May I tell you this. Don't use ignorance and go put on a hand on the woman. May I beg you please. We don't see the video already. It can't take back. We never ever can go back in time. No care what. Nadine is to be protected at all costs. Nadine tired. Nadine is tired. Pat, good morning. So, everybody will love the crab and eat Alice crab. Una name Alice shit. Una shit up. All I know when they on social media we over here. Name Alice crab. Alice wipe her body and throw it in the bucket so. The same crab bucket where. You understand? And Alice just wipe her body and just throw it so. You understand? Una shit up. I just saw it go. So all you know there you go like you sick. None of you not sick. None of you not sick. None of you don't sick. You shit up. I just that me I tell you no. You shit up. Think of shit. So you belly could have run little more. And Alice make you belly run now. And Alice make you belly run now. So nobody would have fake something about disgusting and I feel so bad and I feel so. You better run joke like me. You shit up. But just I tell you no, you shit up. So all you know that I feel bad and I talk about you know want to sue. You not sue nobody. All who go there, comment and say I went there and I bought from Alice. Everybody will buy from Alice. Comment make me sue so no buy from Alice. Because Alice are the name brand one out there. Alice are the name brand one. She have one big pot of soup out there and one big pot of crab. You understand? If me eat crab, not from Alice. It's been a long time now since I've eaten any crab. Long time. See Talia there tell us she buy from Alice there. Don't be ashamed to buy from Alice. All of you know we are denounce Alice. Move! Wanna shit up. Wanna come like the tissue where Alice cuss up. And flash it in a toilet, in the bucket, so. Wanna do it. See it here? Alice does draw down and me tell you, boy. Blood clot. Murder, whoa. Whoa. I want a hot beer. I want a hot beer. And here, Cham 5 years ago, she hid from Alice. Mrs. T say on Monday she come Jamaica and plan for go there. Right now, Miss T begs. I beg, she begs. Everybody with a plan for go buy begs. Mom tell she a munch she buy from. Everybody have them customer. Product of God. Where mean it not funny? You have to laugh. What you gonna cry for? You have to laugh. It don't happen already. You have to laugh. You have to laugh. You have to laugh. Because what I go do? Sit down and ball and say, oh my God, I eat this crab so much time. I've been eating it from I was a little kid. I was eating it from I was going to high school. Oh, no, shut up. I just saw it go. I just saw it go. Some don't know what na cuss and a go on and a come go on. What na come a bex for? See it here? Everybody and them mother say, listen, look for it over here, so. That's it over here. It over here. I have to look for it and show now. You have to see it. You have to see it. So I don't know want to come and come ball about. All I want to talk about, you have to stop me and crab. You don't lie. You don't lie. You have to stop it. You have to see it. Which part it them man? You have to see it. Lord God. John was star. Let me tell you this. Everybody will live in New York go buy from Alice. All of the foreigners them will live in New York and fly in Africa Euro Circle. Let me tell you this. Two things where you have to have when you come to Jamaica. KFC and the crab out of Euro Circle. The jerk chicken is a must. But Alice crab is the crab. So all I know whether they are going and I come talk and I rare and I go on. You could have sick look more. You don't name the shit. You don't shit up. So nobody make it look like say. On a bex now. A bex on the bex how the video come out. Me know on a bex how the video come out. But sometimes I just saw it I figure. Things have to get exposed. Things have to just get exposed. Me know say a bex on a bex. Alright, look pan it. Me sit down at Portland, you know. Me sit down at Portland when time them find one whole heap of rat in a KFC. And them say lock down KFC. Remember say it never locked down for long. It opened back. The one KFC where they are Portland. The one KFC where they are Portland for just lock down because of the woman. They're not too little rat. You know can't sanitize. We need back KFC. I saw the people them come out and protest when time we don't see the place. Because it open back. It a go open back. It a go open back. It a go open back. Right? So just like how you still on am KFC, you can't stop eat crab. I don't want you nobody come and, oh, I'll never eat crab again. Lie. How much I want to stop eat KFC? How much I want to stop eat KFC? Mel's. Remember say forget the where you say when you can't get crab when you reach, crab sell everywhere, man. And if you come in on a Saturday, you have a brother when you import more crabby. Or they up a greater port more round about this so. I him them say they had thing you know with the crab thing. Him have all type of crab. Go up on Instagram and type in Portmore crabby. Not Portmore crabby, Outer Road crabby. Just type in Outer Road crabby. I remember everybody whenever used to sell crab, I can sell crabby now. See me? Every Saturday they are greater Portmore. So I don't know where else him there during the week, but link him because him raise crab and sell. See most wanted I wait name the number there. Alice number. You can't get like how Alice wait name there. Them lock down out there so you can't get Alice to come cook food special. Now people, we are reason. It's sad and it's funny. It's very, very sad and funny. Because seeing something like that, we have all right to feel how we feel. Girl boss, we have to stress me out. We have all right to feel how we feel. You understand? Because Outer Euro Circle has become a tourist attraction. It's become a part of Jamaica's history. The crab place Outer Euro Circle. Because remember out there it stay bad and them lit down the whole of the stall, them and and never give them sponsorship and sponsor out there. Big sponsor and big unveiling going on. Alice there. Alice and the mayor of Kingston there and you don't know the rest of people them there. But Alice was the face. So that's why it's so shocking to the world because of the face of crab, you know. Shut up, you know. And the face of the crab people, them shut up. Alice, you see me? I remember this keenly when Alice had tried to explain herself, and that make it worse. And that make it worse, you know. Alice said she have loan to pay back, she in a partner, she have car. She said she just gone up on her house because she gone upstairs on her house. It sent her pitney them at school. Alice they out there more than 30 years. More than 30 years Alice is out there. You understand? So and that's why it looks so bad because everybody expected better from Alice. But true, Alice come out wrong and strong. And that go on. So anybody will want to wash out the new remedies at there and a pinch of salt. And let's be realistic now. Everybody will live a ghetto, shit in a bucket already. And shit a bush and go on with them something there. But not in public like that. So all of the wanna be and they act like them. When I justify Alice something, Alice is dead wrong. Alice is dead wrong. Dead wrong. I'ma feel bad for everybody who go there and, you know, feel away. I'ma feel bad. But I better Alice does come and say, listen me. Me wrong. I come down upon me. But what make Alice look worse? And when Nadine go in her phone and say, see I do it, I show you about 6 things. So it look worse upon Alice now more than ever. Because about 6 videos the woman have in her phone, she video Alice. So Alice are the more for out there, everybody afraid to talk. That's why I say, leave Nadine alone. Me I beg you no do. Leave Nadine alone. Nadine are gonna need help. Protect Nadine at all costs. Nadine a big woman, Alice a big woman, no young girl them. Please me I beg you no leave Nadine alone. For anybody who have problem with Nadine and I say she shouldn't put out the video, because when I see it first, I think say no. But looking at the video, I say no, this doesn't look good. I don't like this. So I beg you please tell them to leave Nadine alone. And this we I cry for. We I cry for Nadine safe and alright. You understand the people? I'm tired of Ali shit. You understand? They're tired of the shit. They're stop keeping up with the shit that she comes with every time. They're not keeping up with it anymore. Them done with the shit. You understand? Them done with that shit. You're talking bullshit. Because when me did little and I buy crab from people, and when the crab done and it nice, and you lick the crab so, by your knee and by your forehead, so. Cocoa fat, give me new fat. That's how you go. See that? You can't imagine how much down around there with all this shit pound. Eh? All this shit pound. So, and I cocoa fat it. Eh? Bumbleclad! Excuse me language. I have to cuss. I have to cuss that a while ago. And of that, I never cuss a while ago. But that's a lie. Jamaica, forgive me. But I ain't putting up with that shit no more. That's a lot of shit to keep up with. I'm done with that shit. See Talia there, regular she put up with the shit of Alice. She shit up. You shit up. Talia shit up. Where are they? It's Snicker Bar. I'm there, man. Next week, I'm there up at Mass Camp. Retroflex. If you're Jamaican, then in Kingston area, you can book yourself it. Big 80s and 90s party. Retroflex. Yeah. And if you're there in Jamaica for the 11th of November, it's all about recall. You don't know. And next throwback party again. And them party that the people them say them love, you know. Yeah, them party there at the party where the people them are alright and I go on with. So, you don't know. I don't know what defend her in Unstoppable TV. I don't know what defend her, but I can't defend her. Because I remember yesterday me and a girl attack and the girl thinks me I defend her. I'm ready for war me. And me I said, no, I defend me, I defend her. I just say it don't look good. Because if somebody really video that and put it out. You see me? But oh me? Oh, you don't know Richie good. Go back and look my Richie video there if you ever see me put up a video out a Euro Circle. I buy yam and saltfish from the next lady where they're up at the top of the road. Right before you turn go around the sun. You understand? Lady, we have the two big soup buckets, she and her son. Come from Bembo Street. Them people, them buy yam from, I buy soup from them. So, if I did them make the news, me that say, Jano, I got caught. Just like how me get catch with the man up at half a tree. Just like how me get catch with the man up at half a tree where did I sell the dog soup. And him woman come expose him. I drink the dog soup. I drink a lot of that dog soup. And the man did have the baddest soup. Because anybody know Richie good know say everywhere me go in the world me drink soup. Them can't catch me with soup. Me no business if you have sore foot. Me no business if you have chop up hand. Me no business if your finger them look nowhere. You can't catch me with soup. That is how much me love soup. Me love soup. You can't catch me. So, I drink the dark soup. You understand? And I when him woman expose him. And that was how much years ago. I'm still there alive and well. Moody, if you don't know about a man, they have for cheat. So, Alice catch you with the crab, dark soup man catch me with the dark soup. And I saw it go. I saw it go. Alice sell soup to man, shy. Alice sell soup to. Just ask anybody who know about the arbitrary soup man. Nice man. Where's on top of the TV? A nicest soup man. A the nicest soup. The nicest soup. Then I just like how we buy Chinese food. 6 figure. If I had the crab, I would have said I eat the crab. I would have no shame in saying I eat the crab. May I tell you no? It's just like them say when you eat mango, you have to eat mango at night time. Because if you're in the mango, you're not going to see it. Eat mango at night. Fletcher, Lord, original caller, Lord of mercy. But, I could go up on a more serious note. And we have to talk. So Joanne tell us that she eat her crab. Joanne says she eat the crab. And she feels sick and went back and the woman cuss her. So, remember everybody knows that Alice mouth not nice. Alice cuss out Joanne and say, move! Nicky better than with the gifted hands. What go on there, Debbie? How you doing? Lord of His mercy. Watch this now. We know so we are going through a serious time. See? We are going through a very serious time wherein ignorance has taken over people's judgment. Them taking over people's mind. Them take over people's soul. Ignorance. Because ignorance and selfishness make with the way with right now in a society. And this one I get to, I want to listen to me. Especially the older people. When I say older, I mean granny. And when I say granny, I mean people who walk with stick and 70 and 80 years old. I mean like, because them say when you are 35, you can turn granny, and when you are 40, you are granny. You understand? So the ignorance, it's very sad. I saw a video since week of a girl in a nurse uniform. Went to a school. They said allegedly that she confronted a schoolgirl about taking her man. 2 other girls was walking her out the school and I saw when she went back. She went back. Up in the girl face, put on child, throw a blow, and 1 blow throw, and she got many blows. It was a blow by blow commentary. Them beat her to sickness in the school. The girl and her friend them batter the nurse. Me shame for the school girl. Me shame more for the nurse. Because you should have never ever went to the school to do things like that. You have to remember your pride and your dignity and your morals. Don't you ever stoop low for nobody's son, not even me. Not do it. I am a grown-ass man. I don't look pan little kids. You could have looked big little more. Me not look pan little pitney. Me a big man. Some man get them kicks off having sex with teenagers and minors. That's not my thing. All girl give me my kicks. Girl we in the business long time with them grey front. You understand? Them have to shave it off because them don't want me see so them front grey. And that's some my thing there. You understand? While some guy get them jump off for some little pitney. And then now, many of you big women have a point to prove. Not for you have a point to prove. And you mash up on yourself and embarrass yourself more and more. It look bad for you because you try to run competition with young girl. Once you see you have to run competition over a manhood, you lose out. Because you know your worth and know your position. You understand? Well, Moody, whether she's an adult nurse or she's a young nurse, she's still a nurse. You understand? And to how me see the beating reach her, very embarrassing to her. I whole school come tumble down pan her. The whole school tumble down pan her, batter her. Now that video gonna be on the internet forever. It now gonna come down. So her family them are gonna see it. The man where she go there for go talk about I gonna see it. Our next man where she are gonna take I gonna see it. Everybody are gonna see it. And it now gonna look good from pan her. None at all. So she lose in many ways. She could all lose all the man. You understand? So let this be a lesson to all of you grown people. Clutch your purse and walk away with grace. Don't argue over nobody's son. You hear me say? Hold your pride. Hold your pride, man. Hold your pride. It not worth it. It don't worth it. Have some respect for yourself and have some respect for your uniform. Remember say, may I look upon life in many ways. Many ways may I look upon life. No way in shape or form I am perfect. I am not perfect. So that's why I don't come around and come fling the stone because I live in a paper house. I never live in a glass. So if you talk toward the paper blow away. Must this if breeze catch my house. Because I'm very, very far from perfect. I'm not perfect. None at all. None at all. So sometimes someone don't like me. True me talk the truth. But the message I want to follow. Don't follow me. Follow the message. But otherwise from that, only can come suck me because of the truth. Only eat my phone dinner. No for you do things and you not do it for yourself. You not do it for others. As a female, worse when you have children, your kids should be looking up to you. They should have you as their role model. Instead of having others as their role models. You are supposed to be your kids' role models. When them say, oh, them mother or them father, it's supposed to be a very big deal. You're not supposed to hold your head on ground so. And shame. You're not supposed to embarrass your children. You understand? So, for that 32-year-old girl that went to the school, figure war a school girl, you shame, you shit up, you beat up. You understand? So now, when you realize the trend where happen right now in the school, it's always been going on, you know, but it happen more often now more than ever. Nobody now talk over nothing again. Because it's like a domino effect. Once something happen at a school, it continues to happen at the other school. It have to happen at Centre, it have to happen at Westmoreland, it have to happen at Kingston. It have to happen this, it have to happen this. So. First and foremost, what I don't condone is no teacher beating anybody's children. send them home. It's better to send them home and them parents come to the school and you discuss it with the parents. Because I saw a picture with a lady that put up her child and said that the teacher licked her child with a piece of board. And her hand was very swollen. Her hand swelled big. I don't remember if it's a boy or a girl, but the pitney hand was swollen. A big bulge on the pitney hand. And it never looked good. And then be ignorant seeing the comments. Because of course you got cuss when you say something like that. So how me even feel now if me say my child, teacher lick my child with board? How me feel? Me not lick my child with board and other teacher, stranger come beat my child with board. Yes, you respond for my child for a couple hours, 5 days of the week. So what happened to the school world who is talking to a big man, talk about that? They know the same thing. Kingston Diva are the same thing. School girl will take the big man. And the girl go to the school for a while, the school girl. The nurse go to the school for a while, the school girl. Remember this now stop happen? I was telling the older girls them to have pride, not go fight over a man. That is what I was telling them. So if you never hear the part, then let me repeat it. Big old girl, tough girl we have fuck long time. If you hear say your man where you skin out your pum pum gear night time, I have sex with a younger girl, don't you go look war with the girl. Have problem with your man. Because if not the little girl come look him. I him go look her. Him for run her way. Old tough girl with a grey front. It can't put no better than this when me I tell you no. Have pride. Not go fight young girl. Because that nurse never did go left the man. She never did go walk away. She not walk away. She not walk away. She take her beat up and she not left the man. So when me I try to say to no, I see it on the internet every day. People bring down them one another on the video them. Bring down them one another foreign, bring down them one another Jamaica, bring down them one another everywhere. People bring down. When they bring down them I go on, me over there and I look once me see it. Do I like it? No. I don't like it. But me know say enough of these little girls, them front a trouble them, and them want things. Enough of them are not taught to bear their wants and wait them turn. Enough of these households have some kids raising where they are in wants. When the mom or dad see them with a phone, them can't tell them say I'm a friend give me it, and them no ask which friend. Which friend give you phone like that? You know much one of them phone there? What you do with iPhone 12? What you do with iPhone 11? What you do with iPhone 14? Them phone there for all $200,000, $100,000 for them phone there. So oh your friends so nice to just give you a phone like that. Them allow it. Oh you give your daughter 6 bills a day. Where should you get it from to buy KFC every day? When a meal deal or a big deal is for over $1,000. Where should you get it from? But the first thing you do, somehow the dirty parents, the first thing you want to do, I take the blood clot chicken from her and take out the biggest piece. Want to take out the biggest piece. The biggest fucking piece want to take out. But yet still when she come in with her belly, true enough I don't want shame. When you ask her where she get it from, sometimes she says she don't know, sometimes she says she get raped, sometimes you don't know exactly where it come from. But you don't love likes. Why you think there's so much unwanted children about nowadays? Why you think? Because the youth them have to fend for themselves. When you bring forth a child in the earth, you have to fuck and maintain the child have to fuck and maintain you. Because if you don't have the education and your pussies, you get out, you fuck and get out. And get out with your pitney. You don't have to make your pitney, you go fuck you, she younger than you. You still have more mileage in your hole. But again, man I go get the blame same way. Man always get the blame. And woman have no bumper ass clout accountability. None at all woman don't have no accountability. Man I go always get the blame. So why so much woman say them a single mother then if a man always get the blame? Why? Man are wicked. Yes, man are wicked. Them run well left the pitney them. Some big batty boy. Them run well left the pitney them. So where is the accountability for the woman them who low up the blood clot pitney them and dress them in a batty rider and buy base impy skimpy clothes for them? We never see some of them little girl in some clothes yet. We never look and see them when them dress up yet. Leave the uniform out tight. We never see some of them little girl with them mama and them papa dress them yet. They with the papa, the mama. The mama dress them like twin. I no blood clot see it. You no see it. So when a man see that now and see how she look big, him not see age. Him not see age. Him see a fat girl, thick and broad. And him not know so she are 13, 14 or 15 because she swell up. And she have her body jaw hang out at 14 blood clot year old. At 14-year-old, she not buy her own clothes. We have 14-year-old to get money from. If you buy blood clot shots where her body jaw show. Eh? You never look on that yet? A man allow that? Are the man buy the clothes? Or are the mama go buy it? Cleavage they don't have some titty a hang out. Because when you go to a party and you see some girl, you don't ask them how much. Because everybody look the same way. Because them look a young girl look same way like the old girl them. All of them look like the same age. So nobody now asks. Me all some dirty mama where carry all the pity them go pierce them navel and go pierce them blood clot, them breasts. Them pierce them titty nipple and pierce all bout pan them. Mama carry them go do that. But again a man still a get the blame. Man still a get the rascal blame. No man see age when him go out. No man see age when him go out. Him see face and body. So that's why a man easily forget catch because you go to a party and you see a girl in a batty rider shorts. Belly skin. Tall hair down in her back. You gotta ask her what is her age? Which man? Tell me the truth. I got have time to ask her how old are you? Him say him want fuck it. I mean not justify none of that. But we just say the look where them present. And the look where them present. So me just show no. So you know as the woman raise your child. Me never say, alright. For sure you enough of them people and understand where I go on. I put up a video with Peely when time school I opened last month. Peely uniform tall. Some people in the comments laugh. And I said the reason why Peely face looks so miserable is because her uniform too short. These people not even know say they changed the uniform system to down your ankle. Because of when time pitting them did a fucking on the school bus. Them don't know none of that. So them a laugh and I say Peely uniform too long. Peely uniform too long. Because them used to over knee something. And that them used to. So them laugh. And I understand the changes where I go on, boy. But again, we can't bother if I explain to everybody. Because who know. Who have kids that go to school, know say that it going to change. We're in our society right now, enough of the mama them. The pitney say she want do whatever to her ear. Remember, you know, go with the school dressing, you know. It's not a part of the school to wear certain things in your ear, like you know, to braid the ear, you know, to do this, you know, enough things you know to do with the ear. Where are dealing, Miss Princess? Curriculum when you how them teach them. See, remember saying, you know, enough things change in a school, you know. And one thing get worse in a school. One thing get worse in a school. And the ignorance of the people, them. Nobody no love them. I remember one time you have the lunch money and you share with your school friend, your classmate, you share. You get my lunch money, you know, come here buy your food and you buy a patty or a cocoa bread and you cut it in half and your friend eat that. And so friends used to go. Now, if you have a clerks and your friend wear a gentleman, is a problem. Because you're going to say you're hype because you have on clerks. So the youth never grow loving things and not people. Humanity done. A little bit tight left. We are hold on to humanity by a thread. And by a thread we are hold on to humanity too. Because we, the parents, are cheering on our kids to worship vanity. Pure vanity creates from the backpack to blood clot, the shoes where them wear. You hear me say? Not no rank we want we youth them be better than we. But we still have to make them understand them roots and which part we are come from. We have to show them and make them face the light. We not put them out and tell them to go sleep out the door. Them and them brother and them sister not sleep on the same bed because we make them have them own room. From we can afford it. But when 6 of we used to sleep on one bed and I wear one another clothes. Them never know about that. Peer pressure mash up the youth them. Peer pressure and mash up the youth them. Because remember, you know, first farm to 6th farm. Then you have upper 6. Right? So you do 7 years in a high school. Because remember, bam, you reach 6th farm. Or 5th farm. You reach 5th farm. A graduation that when you're there 5th farm. You graduate when you're there 5th farm. You know how much youth left school from 3rd farm. Because what? Financially, parents cannot afford it. Financially, I remember say you have to have subjects. You have to have subjects to get some job if you don't have no skill. So that's why I tell you, say, teach the youth, them, make them go learn a skill. Big up all who can sew. Big up every dressmaker, every tailor. Because one of the first skilled person we know about you. When time back to school before ready make uniform start make. We used to have to each up down the tailor yard. And I tell the tailor, oh wow, what pants we make. So big up every skilled worker, dressmaker, and tailor. Big up on yourself. Wicked show there. Done me done it there, you know. You hear me? I'm telling you, man. Make the youth them go get a skill. Because from you not have no skill, them supposed to have a skill. And me tell you, know. We are going at a time where them are use the I, where the name IE or IE or where them want name or AI. Bag of robot a blood clot run the world right now. Remember how we skill people are going to survive, boy, I know. So big up all who are 40 and then go back to school right now. Make everybody who want laugh off, you know. Because remember, them a build robot for take fuck. Them a build robot for suck wood and suck girl pussy. So, all who feel like so them front and them mouth and them blood clot body I go carry them right through no get fuck. Me I tell you no, it's not too late. It's not too late. Me I tell you no. Education is the key. But you have to have a skill. Everybody want to turn blood clot artist. And everybody have to turn artist and boss boy, you know. You have to do something else first. You have to do something else first. I remember when I work at National before me turn big selector. A bread me used to push up there till my favorite bread. Me working at the bread bin, me work on the bread chuck all van man. The chuck them me did I wash one at a time. You hear me say? All the chuck them me I wash. Cause I remember me say me not deal with no school, you know. And from me not deal with school and sit down and not work, you will got thief. Because you go sit down pan corner and beg a man where work $50. And you go beg a man for buy you a beer. And you go beg a man for buy you a spliff. And you go beg a man for buy you a special. And you go beg a man for buy you everything. And you go beg you a little batty one at a time. Because every week you just beg him. Every time you have a problem, you beg him. Nobody knows so kind, you know. Nobody knows so kind here. Everyone cannot become an artist. Everyone cannot become an artist. And everybody are going to make it big in a football, and everybody are going to make it big in a cricket. And everybody can make furniture, and everybody are going to turn electrician. But remember, there's a space for everybody. But someone will look on the TV and say, yeah man, I'm an artist, see them have him tattoo, no fall and a blood clot put on tattoo. Because the tattoo artist, because that's his skill. So him sit down in him place and him use him ink and him needle and him do him have to do a film skill that because the tattoo artist. Because once you go there, you have to go pay him to put on where you want. You want him to build an angel on your back. You want him to build an arc in your chest. You want him to put your girl name on your heart. And that you have to pay him to do. So big up him. Big up all healthcare worker. This a DNA, CNA, RA, all type of A. Big up all of the A them. You hear me say? Remember say, a big man look for me and tell me one time say, a tradesman never out of a job. Never, ever, ever, ever. Him said to me, say, Richie, a tradesman never out of a job. He might have a slow time. He might have a slow time. But he's never out of a job. And everybody has their season. You see, like when time back to school and holiday time and graduation time, oh, the girl them will do braids. Big up all of the braid of them and big up all of the ages of them. You understand? Because them have them skill. And in time back to school, the barber hand busy. When back to school, the barber trim here till him favor here. Big up the barber. When my barber see me right through, you know. Tell him I done it. In time I buy a share, you know. I don't want to see him. I have to learn to trim myself. Because what I do? Go in favor. Eh? Every time him see me have to pay him, now give me a free trim. Done it, you know. Buy a share and doesn't know, sir. That go there, you know, because it can't spoil. Easy. Jamaican Confidential. Lord of His mercy. See? So when you go to Bama, you look on that. A skill worker. Remember say, the man will build furnitures. The man will build chairs, you know, like sofas, where we call settee when we little. Sofas and wardrobe. And we used to say we want a whatnot and a cabinet. I don't know, we born in the 70s late. See? So we say we want a cabinet or a whatnot or a brick front. Now we want a wardrobe. Or we want a floating shelf. Or we want a bedroom set. That's how we are name it now. We don't just want the bed alone now, we know. So all of this take money. So if you're going to link the furniture man and say, yo, you know me need a bedroom set. You know me need the dresser. And me need the 2 nightstand. And me need the bed and the bed, you know. And him tell us, say, you know, it's $500,000 this is going to cost. Remember say, him going to get the material, you know. But you have to give him a down payment. Because without your down payment, how it going to bill? Because when you go to courts, you're not just going to give them something and take out something. So you have to have good credential. You have to have, if you're going to take it out for a higher purchase, you have to have somebody come sign off for you. Of course, Kamala. The time change, but the skills remain the same. A man who is a welder, people now stop grill up them place. It's not too old. Remember one time I look over shade room. When I look over shade room, I see a woman at 88 and I go back to school. Here's some dirty girl. And where she go back to school for? She always dreams that she want to go back to school. She always wanted to complete a course. Remember, I not found a girl, you know. I learn to suck manhood and go and all kind of thing. And so I can't do it good. I know not suck manhood good. But if I feel learn, and if I go in one classroom pan line, if you don't stay pan line, you can't stay pan line and watch mix up for 3, 4 blood clot 5 hours. But if you don't go in a course where I take 2 hours, when I do a 6-month course and it take 2 hours, you don't want to do it because you can't bother for that. I'm so good like that. You need some so good girl. And remember the course are going to benefit you. The course are going to benefit you, you know. You, the course are going to benefit. But you can't bother with that, but you don't have the time. But see you on your phone, yeah? See you in the comment section, yeah? See you in the comment section, yeah? See you, yeah? And then una the same one, we want the best for our children. I want the best for my daughter and my son. But I want the best for myself too. That me, you know, drink look of water and tell her to come have me. Remember, say the truth not come out no more than how you see it come out. And the truth will come out. But as when I say, I just saw it have to come out. And the truth. No found you. Let me tell you what I reach no found you. When I hold back on yourself. Stop hold back yourself. And let me tell you now. Say if you're there with a woman, all of the man them. If you're there with a woman, easy miss legal, hold tight. If you're there with a man, you want to go towards something. And every minute the man are ass clad, hold your back and I say, where you do that for, where you do that for? One dirty man, him not want you reach nowhere. Him want you just stay up on one level. Don't make no man hold your back in life. You idiot. Him go on with him hood and move him blood clot. Take a hood where motivate you. You can't just take a hood and just want to cock you up and breed you. And no motivation back at the hood. When I hold back on yourself too much. Because remember, you know, you want clean and you want nice things. It take money for buy nice things, you know. It take money for buy nice things. No found no want to hear this. But remember this, you have some man love when woman come to them and say, babes, look for my nails them. Babes, look for my nails them. My nails them want to do. Babe, look for my ear, lad, man. You can't give me a money for to do my ear. Some man get honey over that blood clot. He would stiff. Because him girl come and beg him a money for do her ear and do her nails. Remember him a fuck it. She had deep throat goggle balls him right through. And him love when time them gonna wear him a come out of him pocket. But him fear of the woman. We say I got it. Him does she go do her ear. Him does she go do her things. Them and she go buy her bag and come in and him not have nothing for blood clot do with it. And some man does love when time him a walk and the woman have him hand in her back pocket. Like him have her hand, the woman have her hand in a film back pocket and she does pay for everything. Move your blood clot. You know who name Sanja son? My face there fuck. You can buy me something but remember me I buy you back too. Because remember if me I stay so. A team me a deal it. You and I. Or if you just a deal with me. I mean I deal with you. I don't look for you, I don't help you out in nothing at all. You know, can't run me and piss for me and shit for me when you're ready. I independent woman, I think there, you know. I don't like mean girl, you know. I like see woman that try. Me say you go to school, me all follow you go to school. Me done, you know. But me follow you go to school. Me I go be your biggest supporter and your moderator. All you have to do, I just come to me and say, listen me, you know, I'm doing my prerequisites. I don't know what that means. I'm just typing what is prerequisites. And say, oh, that name prerequisites. And I'm supposed to do this and it's due by, I have assignment is due by 12 o'clock tonight. Me have to up with you. If me drop asleep, I just saw it go, but remember, me have to start with you. Blood clot. Me have to support you. And me, let me tell you something. You don't understand. If you're there with a man, you and him supposed to be two big mama lashy. We sit down and chat everything. You and your man feel laugh over everything and cry over everything. And your man first, you have to sit down and chat with. Come here, let me tell you people business, babes. I'm say, yeah, come tell me, go, oh, tell me about the girl name, what's your name, and the one name, what's your name. You don't know I go on a work today. I'm say, you go on. Like a big man parlor. And I made that. And you now go hear it back when me you cuss. Or if you hear it back, come in and want you embarrassed. And me worse now want embarrassed. So you have to come chat with me. Come, make a talk. Cock up my foot and discuss little business over little wine. Come and me chat. Some of them man you can't hold a conversation with them. You can't chat to them about nothing because as you them in a problem. And look at argument. Yeah, man. That's why you suck cocky friend them. Hey, girl, be a suck good friend you have, you know. Remember say a friend get the boy tree somebody, you know. Remember say a friend shot the boy what you know. Hey, girl, go on to your stinking front friend. Your friend front stink. And you know, everything what she tell you, you know, as a man in confidence, you know. You that as a big dirty man. I take it back and tell the girl, move. You dirty blood clot. Move. So if you have a man, and you can't sit down and have a conversation with your man about nothing at all. You can't chat nobody with him. You can't bring people business to give him the motivation to do that. All him give be a fuck. The fuck is sweeter when time you can chat after it done. When you sit down and discuss matters and I talk about it or when you talk about what's going to happen tomorrow and what happen at school and what happen at work. If you have your man and you do a 12 or a 16 hour shift, and him are the first somebody is supposed to call to talk about the shift. And I talk how a woman will suffer from dementia spit by you. And I talk how the woman belly run and you have to clean the woman shit. Because once you are a nurse, all of these things is going to happen. You have to can speak to your partner about stuff like this. You're not supposed to go in a group chat. And I talk about people business. Group chat is not for everything. Group chat is for certain business. Certain thing you talk in a group chat. You hear me say? You're CNA and you're there at work. And when you're there at work, the woman goes up and say, I hate you, you bitch. Two and spit by you. And you have to hold the faith and say, you don't want to see me when I'm angry. And go on. Oh, you have to hold it because you say, no, so I need a work, yeah. I want to buy my house. You say planning, you can't plan with everybody. You're going to get disappointment. You cannot plan with everybody. You are going to get disappointed. I know I go on with some of them money, I know. But some of them money nowadays I run competition with them woman. Some of them money is running competition with them woman. Every good man love an independent woman. Him love a woman who can pay some time without even asking him. Him love take care of her, but him love how she take care of herself. That is how a good man do. Like the other day, I see an article. A girl say she asks her boyfriend for $50,000 loan. Right? Jamaican. And the man said, show me the plan that you have for the $50,000. She gone back to her dirty friend them. And them a tell her say, a dirty man that kind of ask her what she gonna do with the money and she must left him. Here the idiot girl. She start to believe that her friend them right. And the first me see so much girl unite in a comment and I done her dirty blood clot. Move! A good man that. Cause the man want to know where you going to do with the money, how you going to make the money, what you going to do for roll over the money. And that you have to go to the man with. Don't just go to him and say you want a business loan. Tell him what you going to do with the blood clot money. If a some dealer you go buy or you go to AliExpress go buy something for try roll over, tell him that. But you just follow your dirty friend them when you have no man with them can't get like a soup from for drink. Good man you have idiot girl. You big dirty blood clot. But me for some of them girl I know. Bun me, you know. For she tell the man, say, listen me, this me I gonna do with the money. This me I gonna do. For she say, I'm going to buy some crab. And I'm going to turn over the crab. Because like out a Euro Circle mash up, me I gonna buy some crab. And me I gonna sell the crab them right at my part. So me I gonna buy a big pot and the big pot I gonna cost this and the crab them I gonna cost this. So when me I gonna sell a crab for $800 or $1,000 for a crab, man crab I gonna sell for 7 bills, woman crab I gonna sell for $1,000. This is what you could go to the man and say. This is what you should go to the man and say. You shit up, you dirty blood clot. Move. Yeah, Danny Bo. And say, yo, she have to get a little sanitary bathroom. She have to rent one. You understand? You don't know she have to have the hand sanitizer them and she have to have a case of toilet tissue. Or she have to buy some Bounty. You understand? The hand towel them. She didn't have to buy the Bounty. She just buy the cheaper one them. You know what I mean? Easy Stephanie. Hold tight. Lord of His mercy. Don't you come to my yard unless you're jawsless. Still getting pum pum regardless. I was born from pum pum. I gonna need some pum pum. Lord of His mercy. I'm ball out. Yeah. Now that me I tell you, someone have not a man, you know. Someone not a man, you know. One not a man, really and truly. The better you not tell nobody son have no man. One not a man. Yeah. One don't know. And I don't know. I saw the laugh off of me sing my thing them all the while. And I go like, would I laugh off of me, you know. When I laugh off of me, I the remix to Band for Greatness. Because you don't know Buju Banton album is out. Bad album, you have listed. It's a difference. You know what I mean? Because, let me tell you now, a lot of people, some of them barely listen to the album one time and then them say, I don't know what this. Are the same Buju, but at the diversity Buju has shown. So you have mixed mood and attitude. Somehow now look back for Till Shiloh. Somehow now look for Inner Heights. Somehow now look back for Miss Mention. So it's like everything just in a one. So just go listen to the album. Can not find it there foreign. Go up on the Spotify or you can listen it on YouTube too. You understand? You can listen it on anything. But don't look back for Hills and Valley. Hills and Valley don't sing already. You understand? Don't look back for Psalms 21. With Buju Banton and Grams Morgan. See? Because I remember saying, no, are the same Buju, same message, but difference add to it. You know what I mean? So, go out and listen to it. I don't know. Don't you come to my yard unless you're jawsless. Still getting pum pum regardless. I was born from pum pum. I need some pum pum. I'm ball out. I know say that crocus bag I think it's 17 scandal bag. Tell them say me bless. Tell them me bless. Tell them me bless. Tell them me bless. Tell them say me still have life. Me no stress. God light shine and we on our case. Bless her who down with we funk the rest. If they try they will see. Who want fuck Aisha pussy? Make we shine like stars above. Our pum pum fit like globes. See my balls there. Lord, I'm ball out. It's a crocus bag of thing. 17 scandal back at that. Easy. And make sure you punky. Don't cheese it. Lord. I don't care. So I'm going to go to like a glory. Run blood. And go on. Yeah, people. That know me love come on and trouble and go on. You know. Fabulous kids. See you from what day. We don't look up in the country and go on. I do some money for TikTok something and something. Easy. Beautiful, colorful. One whole time. What you say? My kids look like me. Them a jacket. Jacket, got to fit. Yeah, people, before you criticize one song or two songs, just listen to the whole compilation. And when time you listen to the compilation, then you just, you know, listen it all, because that's an album thing. Just like when you can sit down and listen to Drake, them and listen to some what heap of people. Come remember, you know, and we are fight with one another, you know. I'm going to look insight about music. Afrobeat I do very good right now. Them have all them own category and everything where I go on. You know why? They are more organized. Organization is what mashing up our dancehall music, our culture. Because as soon as a man get 2 songs in a Jamaica, him start say him a the man. Him no want to go work with a man, them no want to work with a man there. And again, many times when you see all DJ Khaled them come here, people cuss and say DJ Khaled them and go and work with Buju them and work with Bunty them and work with him work with who him start out with because he tried working with others and them shun him. I shun him. And let me tell you this what Jamaicans do. They think about the money first and don't think about the longevity of the music. So enough of them just get the money, the song never gonna away. Remember, you know, Meek Mills and Rick Ross had a joint project together. And of them that they everywhere I do interview about this project. Them depend this, them depend that, them depend Breakfast Club, them depend 97, them depend everything. Most of them artists are Jamaica, them not like them one another. Them not like them one another. Everybody cool with you until you boss. Me can't tell you that. My baby mother, she said me too bad. We think about money first. Enough of the artists them only hear a talk off them mouth. Enough of them chose money over longevity. That is the reason why enough artists are not working with us, because other artists talk. Other artists talk and say, listen, me don't fuck with that cat. That Jamaican cat ain't shit. All they want is money. They don't want to do the promotion. Because if you're doing an album, you have to go promote the album. And you're going to have to do a lot of free shows. You're going to have to do a lot of free shows. A free promotion to get album to sell. And enough of we, no one do no free, nothing. No, I want to hear you, I'm sick, you know, yo. Yeah. So why you think Sean Paul is so successful? Sean Paul got to Australia for to do an interview for promote him album down there. Buy him on a plane ticket and find himself at Australia just to go up on the morning show. Because the morning show is the thing. While enough of them artists don't want travel in the morning, them no wake up yet. Them complain. All your things say them no reach. All your things enough for them to reach. They don't want to do the work, the groundwork. You have to fly out, go down at one place, Saudi Arabia, just to go up on the morning show. Because remember, in the traffic, 7 o'clock in the traffic on that morning show, gung lang is on the radio. Or the man there. And he might translate everything what you say. You have to make that flight if you reach there. So say if you have a flight for 3 days, you yourself have a benefit. You have to put in a work there. Jamaica does one little dot. The world is bigger than New York and Miami. New York and Miami people now blood clot buy nothing. Them not buy nothing. And the next thing we want to tell you, no, enough of the artists them a charge a bag of money and them not pull no crowd. Them alone can't full up nowhere. Enough artists can't sell 500 tickets. They have a few songs. But them can't sell 500 tickets. And them a tell man say them want 50 and 60,000 US. So if you a keep a show, say they enough man I want to say, yo, Dexter up them, yo, you know, say Dexter up a keep him on show. And the whole of them ram. So that I mash up the thing when you say Afrobeat, because some of them are so united. And remember, you know, I know all of them like them one another, because we see it. Burna Boy and Davido, they are not friends. Wizkid is no longer friends with Davido. I don't know if Wizkid and Burna Boy is still friends either. So they are the biggest thing right now in the Afrobeat world. You have Buju them down there and you have some woody other people down there. Everybody want quick for and go collaborate with them, because remember, the African continent, they are united all across the world. Why you think when you see Burna Boy show sold out in a Madison Square Garden and in some place in a Brooklyn and in some part? Why you think it's so loud? Because a whole heap of Africans there in New York. And remember, a man they come from Nairobi, a man they come from down at Nigeria, and next man they come from down at Soweto, and next man they come from one part, and then one man said, that's my country, that's Africa. One Africa, different name. So where I tell me say, man they come from Montego Bay and a Jamaican, I just Kingston. Music not stop at Kingston. Kingston are the hub. But want to the other parish them. Some man willing to go pay because him country artists coming to his neck of the woods. That is the reason why the show ram out. Africa, just check the Africa continent, them all them big na man. Remember say you have someone where they are Africa and they have Africa 20 years, you know. Him they Africa 15 years, you know. And film pity them come back in America and them want to catch up them African roots. A Burna Boy them artists, you know. So when time when I say yo Burna Boy sell out show and Jamaican artists now sell, you know if you move no blood clot and talk the truth. Only if you talk the truth. When last you get a good combination out of Jamaica from two Jamaican artists? When last you get that? Because majority everybody not like them one another. Them a complain say them rich. Rich me blood clot. You think $10 million rich? 10 million Jamaican not rich because you have house for yourself for $90 million boy. You have house for yourself for 500 million boy in a Jamaica. You have a money. You can call yourself rich comparing to some man who just have 50,000 Jamaican dollars in them bank account like call me we're broke. I'm not rich. I'm rich in life. I'm rich in health and strength. I mean, I compare or war myself with nobody else. I'm rich. Of course, we don't want rich on the rich, but we know the real rich people, them. Real rich people have them boat park up out of one part. Real rich people have them private plane a park up out of one part. Real rich people have them helicopter out of one part. These are the real rich people. So the time when you take fear worry about blood clot, crossroad and blood clot, I have you run about. And I say, yo, the music this and the music that. Remember, we have to learn the business aspect of it. We have to learn the business aspect. You hear me say? People look on you in our clothes and our shoes. Y'all in all our fake Louis shoes. You're in our fake Louis shoes. Right? And when you're in the fake Louis shoes, you hear them rich, you know. You know, so I'm weird. You know, see the things them weird. People just look on you and say you're rich. And them not even know say you was a Alice. Man say, if after all bigger than Byron's song. No. Byron's song is bigger. Byron's song is a worldwide song. Byron, one song we know for Byron Messiah, where that song there, it take off because he's on a label and the label promote the song. So that's why you see my song in Chris Brown. I do things with him and Meat Mills them there around him and everybody I do things with him because he got a mega hit. Because his song is a mega hit. It's big. I remember in Jamaica him sang bus overseas. You know what I mean? So we not go act like and go on like. A song, remember saying after a song bus it have 3 more years before it done, you know. Because remember say this is a song we have go worldwide. Remember say it have go on to England. How long it have go on to England for? It have 1 year for go on to England. It have, remember say you still have other places where the song no bus yet. It bus in America big. It have go bus over Canada. I remember him can go tour with the song. Look on a song like Party Animal. Charlie Blacks can never stop tour punch Party Animal. Him can never stop because this is a mega song. Egyptian. You can say what you want and say Egyptian not hot, but Egyptian get a huge mega song. Y'all me want to hold ya. But remember say that song they can't stop sing a big mega song that. Conscience can't stop sing. Come wine and broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your. Him can't stop sing. Him a go up and tour for that song because it cross over. That song they can't stop sing. So you have the mega song them with the people them go sabam. When me say 3 years, you know, I mean 3 years hot. Because remember you go tour, you know. Remember you go tour. Because how artists make them money off of tours, they make money. So all artists know where do music. Do the music. And do the business when it come on to the music. Don't just sell out your song for a little $5 grand or a little $6 grand. Because nobody don't know what a mega hit going to be. Nobody knows what a mega hit is going to come from. Nobody never knows a Charlie Black song did go bust so big. Nobody no know that. Remember say Clarks is a mega hit, you know. Clarks bust and crossover, you know. Remember Fever bust, you know. Remember Popcorn, them a big mega star in the earth, you know. If Popcorn get a visa right now, you know, a 52 state, he might go in America, you know, because remember him have the combination them with Drake and most of the hip-hop people, them, and him have him catalog by himself. You understand? I remember enough artists not find the real it yet. Where you think artists sing for enough real artists sing for it. While you have some artists that sing for hype. Or sing for trend. I remember right now over TikTok them they say, yo, this is a trend on TikTok, you know. It's not a full song they on TikTok. 30 blood clot or 35 seconds, not even 1 minute good for enough for the song them. It's not even a whole song. So, don't follow me the idiot. Let's go do the research. Because I remember I don't really have no whole heap of sense, you know what I mean? It named music business. While you have some people that do music and now do business. You have to do business. Sometimes you look for something and you serve you something, it might not reach same time, but you have to carry yourself. Don't give up. Now for them to understand Killer Miller, them just stick have Popcorn like chew Popcorn. Run to like a joke boy and you know? Two girl ramp with him and talk something about him, them feel like it's a Popcorn thing or something like a joke thing. Popcorn them a mega star. Remember sold out place you have to put Popcorn in. Remember that. Enough money in charge. And the people make back them money. You understand? So call him when you think you don't want to call him. But Popcorn, on the international scene, him they right up there in the top 5. Right up there. So if you go to Shaggy and Sean Paul, you have to call Popcorn name. When I ask you that, I tell you no. You have to call Popcorn name. You have to do it. You don't have to like him, but remember, Popcorn them. I no joke. Me I tell you that. I no joke. You can't call him one it one neither. Hey, me I tell you something. What do you go on concert? See? I go on Neo concert. Because remember say, when you not eat a foreign, you not reach. But if you have one hit, you can't dead for hungry. See? I go on concert. Neo Champagne and Roses concert. And when I got a concert there, you know who opened the show? A boy named Pleasure P. Remember say, if 6,000-7,000 people are there or more, none are there. And it's an indoor and outdoor place. See? It's an indoor and outdoor place. And Pleasure P opened the show. And when the man goes some mama run out and say, baby, grind on me, relax your time and daddy. And be a girl say, Jesus Christ, ooh, my pussy is wet. And about over that man here. That man have us it in how much years. But him have it. Be a girl about say them pussy wet. The man sing 5 songs. And whole people are sing the man 5 songs. You hear me say? Then him go Sabaman come off. Then Mario come on. And when Mario come on, Jesus Christ, Mario come on now a shiny suit. The man voice sound just like when him just come out. It sound the same. That is the next thing where I mash up enough of the artists them. They are not sounding like the record. Them come on and a lip sing and I come talk about sing my shit. Sing your blood clot. You have to sing and then we sing along with you dirty blood clot. Too much auto-tune up on your voice so you can't sing back your song them. You hold some note or the way up so. Way up so you use some something. But sing my shit. Move your dirty blood clot. You can't sing. Me can't sing better than you. Go ahead. But sing my shit. Your dirty blood clot. You move. And Mario come on. And go on. And you know where Mario come on with? You know what Mario have? Mario have a bands. So most of the artists, them again, them now plan to sing pan the bands. Them a come sing pan tracks. Certain show you can't sing pan tracks. You have to have your bands. So learn how to sing with a bands. Mario sing and How Could I Breathe? And him sing Braid My Ear. And him sing Let Me Love You. And him sing and him go on and him split and him jump and him remember perform. The man a perform. Him run up this and him go this and him go this so. And him go on. Remember again. Easy. Me Jonah read Kirk Riley. Original. Remember me Jonah read this legendary Kirk Riley. Soko. Lord of His mercy. Remember you know. The man goes to BAM now. And sing and go on. Then them say band change because remember Neo and Pleasure Plea and Mario. Neo a close the show. Zane, Neo a close the show. Neo a one of my singer them. Remember I love Neo music you fuck. And remember me I tell you say band change. Them a sanitize the stage and them a do everything. You know when they're there Jamaica and bands are gonna change. Bojo just done perform and them a gonna have a next band change for Capleton come on. And by Boom Boom come on and I say, yo, me I warm up the place until the artist come on. By Boom Boom come on, you hear toom 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 toom. And Boom Boom and them turn down there so and you hear Boom Boom I say, Johnny, hold on a little bit, that speech ya. Them not do that a blood clot for in a Neo concert. See them way like how you hear the bands, that's how you hear the sound a come through it. See Delano there. Original youth called Delano from Renaissance. Remember, you know, when the band a change, it come like another bands a change. Because remember, say, the sound will come through the speaker. And the same way it sound like when the man them a sing through the speaker. Remember, you know, Neo time now if you come on. Remember, Neo, come on. Yo. Me I tell you, say, when Neo come on. Neo come on with him bands. Neo came on with his bands. Hold on, cause I come like I don't understand that something. I don't really understand that something. So hold on, make a show you something. I don't understand that something. I have a show now. So, tomorrow, yeah. Remember, Mario that scene? Mario that. See Neo come on here now. See the bands up on the stage there. You hear the man's band? Remember on a lip sync that blood clot. I'm ball out. Dirty blood clot. Remember. And Neo come go on. Just hear the man voice. Remember, you know, hear the man voice. Him now say sing my shit. Me no hear the man say sing my shit. On a dirty blood clot, but sing my shit. Sing my shit, your blood clot. But sing my shit. Nobody now come to about sing my shit. Remember again, sometimes when you talk about music, some people say you don't know nothing. Remember, you know, them say you don't know nothing. Me have little sense. Neo say, I remember Neo perform for 1 hour ad. I remember saying no lip sing, none I sang them, none at all. The man say, for all who don't know me, I go by the name of Neo. And the people them scream. See? Remember the man scream, the people them scream for him. See? So when them scream for him, the man say, you know all of these songs that I'm singing, that you've been rocking with me for over the years. I wrote all of that. And the crowd scream. The man say, me write all of me sang them. And then the man say, but I was blessed and fortunate enough to write some songs for others. And I'm going to play a few of these songs that I wrote for others. The man play to the left. Me never know say him write a Beyonce song there. I remember that song there, big, irreplaceable. That song there, big song, and Neo write it. The man play Rihanna song, Umbrella. Me never know say me never know say a Neo write that Rihanna song there. Seeing? And the man play one Kanye West and Kerry Hilson. I never thought I would be in love like this. And the man say, Bumbo clout, that's so much song that boy I write. That's so much song that boy I write. So me just goes to show you, say, if the business is a go the right way, enough artists we can't perform certain song, they would have written a song for an artist. But them a man are full of so much blood clot ego and don't want to be fair. They don't want to be fair, Keisha. Them don't want to be fair. You don't want to make a man get him publishing. You don't want to make a man get him royalties. You are put up, say, you write it, you compose it, you produce it. You want claims every blood clotting. And that's why music reach so. That's why we dey which probably reach. Not for the old artists them. Not for the producer them take them for pussy. So that is why enough of them dead and pauperized and nobody can bury them. They want to chump up money for bury them because of the same thing will happen. Them not pay the man them not do the right thing, the man them sing them song and you claim writer's credit. You hear me say? The man them sing the song, the man them not get no royalty. Remember say fucking, where woman name? Sister Nancy or Mama Nancy, what she want him. So me say one thing Nancy can't understand. Bang bang. She say 30 years she wait before she get a piece of Jesus off of the song. Why that happen? The rights never go. You never do the right. The man them sell out the song them and not give the writer or the artist them due diligence. So when you go to my look where I go on in the music, you can't blame enough for the youth them where I do them thing now and now link no producer. Them just get a man to build a rhythm and take that and do it because I just say it. So every time when I hear some argument I go on like I'll drift what day. Remember drift what day, you know? And money I go make off a drift, you know. But the right thing never do. The right thing never do. So it go cause problem. Because nobody in Jamaica know where a song I go. Want to see my friend Kirk Riley there, them rob him. I want to you. Them rob him. After him produce the big blood clot song when he party animal. Them rob him. You hear me say? Them rob him and stress him out in the music. But remember, one of kill your always make you stronger and him come back 10 times stronger. I'm a friend that enough things we know about music, you know. I want to you, man. Enough man get robbed by your music, stress them out and them just dead from a broken heart. Me I tell you no, because you know say you write song for how much people, for how much years and you forget your credit. Because of that you pick them come live off, you know. Your writers credit, you know. Your publishing check, you know. No care how small it is, you know. Them things they add up, you know. Because oh, you are going to feel if you know, say you sing that song there. And when you go to man, you look, you see it in a movie, and the movie them make box office and make how much millions of box office. How much millions of box office, and you see your song in that, and when you go to man, look at spit you get. I'm not into that shit. I ain't no fucking Alice. I'm not into that shit. You hear me say? Me have got to take out my video you like Nadine. And say, move your dirty blood clot. I'm tired of you. You see me? Enough artists, no fear. Enough of them things that happen to all a good youth like all Bugle. Bugle them right, what heap of song boy ya. And I spit them get. You hear me say, man? You shit up. Give the youth them due diligence. Me I tell you. So me Juna read them and I want to you. Ball with him, you know. I want to you and Bex with some boy film too, you know. I'm to you know. Great Kirk Riley. I want to you see him there. So nobody feel like say I ain't a joke thing. I'm a Juna read that. I remember say we know. So enough time we don't come and come talk or anything. Because enough of who know there and I praise and I say them a good youth. I pussy them. Me I tell you no, where you say war there Israel? None of them want to jump up and talk about them a good youth. Good youth, my blood clot. Good youth to you. Singing Sweet. They tell me this one time. Big up Singing Sweet. Remember Singing Sweet to sing Oh Dana. And when I see you smile. Me and the man a reason and me I tell him say, like me that tell him say, you know say Lando Ravers a good youth. The man say Richie him a good youth to you. Him not good to me. Him tell life for me in a music and do me a bag of things. And me have to understand. Because him good to me. You understand? Enough people could have say Richie is a big bumbo to get the new talk for spread. Yeah, man. What if a man out there a struggle, man? For find a decent meal, if you have beg a man of money. Because long time producer does go sub a man, does take the man them royalties and claims everything. And me produce it, and me write it, and me do everything, me compose it. Like all the players of the instrument, them not get no money neither. Because remember, players of instrument, you know. Players of instrument is very good, you know. And them play the hands, and them play the drums, and them play the saxophone, and them play the piano, and them play everything, and them make the music sound so sweet. When Dean Fraser goes to man come lay down some hands pan a track for you. And we are say, man, win some, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude, every man a cheat, win some. Me I watch you from what day. See you broke out and I go on the pan date and base something. Fly out, fly in. Big up. Win some. You don't know. Miami Carnival I go on. Big up all who fly out for Miami Carnival. Big up the Carnival junkie them. The soca junkies. Big up on yourself. Miami light up that weekend, yeah, man. How you feeling? You feel good over Miami side? Don't know. Big up all the youth like all Birch. Birch them is one of the greatest youth in music. And them give him a raw deal boy to beat him. And them man they stress out in the music too. And just say, I me allow them. Because you see motivation, sometimes you know, people demotivate you by what them do you. Like for instance, all a chef. Where you deal it come over. A long time I don't saw you. Yeah, man, Spice. They are Scotch and Spice. They don't know, man, Spice. I'm a friend of me love, you know. We now have to come tell you how much we love Spice. Big up her. Don't know my friend that. Enough she got to and still I got through to the day, yeah. You don't know my favorite now gonna be your favorite. But we have some people we not talk about every day. We have enough people in the music where our friend them or we and them sit down and cry together. You understand? and ball and just know say, yo, music business is a big politics where enough people afraid to talk because you will come talk about it and people say you bad mind. Yeah man, me dig off win some. But don't worry, I soon be back. Well, I am doing well. Every day I wake up, I have so much things to be grateful for. I don't get up and come talk about clothes and money and them something. I get up and give thanks for life because life is supposed to be the greatest thing. And life does not have a value. Life does not have a value because a lot of people don't value their life. Them get up and them cherish everything else except them life. Once you get up and can stretch out, right? When you can get up and stretch out and yarn and fart and go on with all kind of things, yeah man, the greatest thing that. Because remember, you know, when time somebody have to order you have to go do this and do that, you not enjoy life. Life is what you make it. Because you sit down every day and talk about better must come. You know, from me, LiQWYD them say better must blood clot come. And you have to make better come here. You have to remember that. You have to make better come. Go and sit down and talk about, yo, me there and nothing na go on. Nothing na go on. Yo, star, yo, some boy, yo, them boy, they mean, all the boy Kirk Riley. And you sit down and talk about Kirk Riley mean. Oh, you know say mean. Oh, you know say Kirk Riley mean. Because you ask him for something and him tell you say him not have it. You remember how much time him give up? Remember no guy owes you no obligation. No one owes you nothing. You owe it to yourself to make yourself better. It's just like you start a business and you worry about who they buy from you. Praise who buy from you and give thanks. If somebody spend $1 with you, give thanks for the dollar. Give thanks for the one sale where you make from morning because days you out there not sell nothing and somebody come buy one. You understand? You see the guy when him hand out, I don't wait upon them boy there. The boy when him hand out, I pussy them. Because the boy when him hand out, give your hand out and take back your hand from you. Because I say, him give your hand. You hear me say? The boy when him hand out. We don't wait for hand out. So nobody sit down and wait for hand out. You have to get up and go do what you have to do. Man and woman we are talking about, you can't just get up and sit down and wait and come talk about, oh, me have my auntie a foreign and my auntie never send nothing to come give them. You try reach a foreign man and make your auntie see you, man. And say, big up yourself, auntie. Long time you're there, how you stay? You alright? Pass me a pass through, man, or she not see you, she not blood clot see you. You understand? Because remember, you know, enough time, your auntie could have live worse off than you will live a Mercs. You will live a Jamaica and live better. You know much people still send money go a foreign for give them loved one. And that I want to sit down. Many people on this live in the States and live in Canada and live all about. Anywhere you go. Life is what you make it. And you have to put yourself in a position to live comfortable. You have to put yourself in a position to make things good. Not cheap again like one time. I remember one time when people used to say, yeah man, I'm going to BJ's and I say that in a BJ's and I can't buy this and I can't. It take money for buy it now here. It always take money, but I don't know 50 cents for nothing a blood clot again. And like one time, things raise. So I want to stop fake it to the people them. Stop fake it and live your truth. You not live too fake. You not live so fake so long. You not live too fake too long. Be real, too true to yourself. You don't listen to Ziggy Marley. I got to be true to myself. You don't listen to Ziggy. Eh? Ziggy sing so much inspirational song. I know if I want to remember them. I got to be true to myself. When Bob Marley did say, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. And you, if you want to free yourself from all the shackles and the chain them will tie you up. Because sometimes you twist up yourself because you're turning at too much things. So you have to just take your time and be a MacGyver. Because you look for MacGyver to save you. MacGyver now come blood clot save you, you know. You have to be your own MacGyver. Because when we use the things that a little knife, the MacGyver take out. Move your blood clot, MacGyver. You dirty blood clot, yo. MacGyver have one little knife. Everything him get out of them, lock him up in one place. MacGyver use a little knife and take it out. Once you have the little knife there, everything good. Move your dirty blood. I'm not into that shit. The boy MacGyver. We are dealing. Rika, my ex-wife. Done with you, you know. So why you call them, you know? Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can be our... Alright. None but ourselves can free our mind. And you have to free yourself. Remember that. You have to free yourself. You sit down and talk about nothing not go on. So when something not go on. And I have to tell you now, all of the pharmaceutical things, them sometimes you can give them a break. I know you have to put on a little makeup, but come on. When last, Mrs. Williams, big up yourself. When last, somehow you just wearing a natural hair. When last, somehow you just say, yo, me not wearing no makeup, me I hold out a little bit. Nothing wrong with little enhancement, but sometimes you have to just, you know, no makeup. Are your flaws that any man will do with you? Like for instance, the man who you have to take where see you pretty looking at the dancer. Anyway, him see and you look good for Instagram. Because you put out your best picture. When him go see you without makeup. When him go see you looking raggedy. I know it takes a lot, you know, to wear natural hair. I know. But I'm just saying, natural is the mistake sometimes. You have to love yourself, you know. Because I do a whole heap of things for please everybody and not please on yourself, you know. Fancy face, spunky. Big up yourself, spread off. Hold tight from the whole of down at one place. Right a sentence into St. Mary. Okie dokie. Pokey. The easiest thing right now for be in Jamaica or in the world is fake. And the easiest thing for be is fake. The hardest thing for be is real. Because we sit down and still worrying about what others have to say about me. Why are we so dedicated and intrigued by what others said about we? You know much things some boy and some girl say about Sanja's son. I'm a wall it because I know it's not true. I know. Them are going to say what them want to say. So you just leave them, make them talk. You just allow them, make them talk. Allow them, because you can't stop people from talk. Anything what people think about you, you think you can change their mind? Them still going to think it. Them still going to think it. Me I tell you no, you have to be yourself, you have to be true to yourself. Remember social media name, you know, remember we used to live before social media. Easy youth like broke bad. Stay so. Lord, have mercy. Not found afraid to live on the truth, you know. Live on the truth. And big up the people them who do no good credit. A foreign alone that, because Jamaica people not deal with credit or cash, them deal it right through. I show a partner because I want to buy a fridge or I want to buy a TV or I want to buy a stove. So I in a Miss Lucille partner and I go get me draw. I tell her I say I want me draw November 31st. So Miss Lucille I go have my tree and forgive me one time because I go buy me pitney them something. Why when you have a credit card, you know, you put your credit limit to, you can take it at 5,000, you can take it at 4,000, you can not, you are the limit. Miss Chin, hold tight and make sure you hold tight. See, let's go and stay so. Lad. Then that's why I say November 31st, man. Remember, that's why I say November 31st, you know. I can't say anything. No, man, me is the 31st. Then if you, then I can't promise you money until I say I give it February 30th. I can't tell us that February, anytime after February 30th, you can get the money. I can't say anything. I don't remember how sarcastic it can be. Remember, say sometimes I don't remember the days of the week, you know. But you know, the majority of the time, I thought the right thing. But I not fabricate no story come go now. Cooler, man. And I saw it for go. Easy. God love you and me hate you. Lord, stay some big up your chow. No, me like come and come reason, you don't know. No know my thing. Me don't have a reason. Go to define reasoning. You know what I mean? I know say Nikki come check me know where she want. Fed up on the man them way and I'm sitting around. If one want go under. Lord, have mercy. Mama fashion, it could have never be ration. I just know that's how it go. Anyway, for the people that might just tune in for my live. Just remember, say, if you don't come to Jamaica and eat the crab from the lady out of Hero Circle, you don't shit up. There's no denying it. You can't say you never eat there. You don't eat there. A long time you don't do it. You never do it this week. And you never do it last week. But you don't shit up. You understand? You don't shit up. So don't come to me with that shit. Don't come to me with that shit. You buy Alice crab and shit up. Okay? Uno shit up. So, all of the girls them, if I eat their Nikki regularly, Catherine, you don't know what I go on with you don't know what I go on with Alice. Alice shit in the crab bucket and throw it in and throw the toilet paper in the bucket. And them video Alice. And Alice says she did a drink a hot beer with little salt and her belly Lego. Right? So big up Alice nice soup and her nice crab. Alice with the good soup and the crab. But your shit up. That's all I have to say. Uno shit up. So the new name for wash out. Here the boy so cool. But all the soup too and the yam and saltfish. Everything. Everything. And not just the crab alone. And the yam and the saltfish and the soup. The big pot of soup shit up. Everything. Hot beer and salt. A pinch of salt with a hot beer. Okay? That's what I'm speaking about. The famous bucket. You see the famous bucket? You can't miss it now. Alice! I'm not into that shit. I tell you no. I'm not into that shit. I just tell you from now. Fuck that shit. I'm not into that shit. Catherine said, where's the proof? It's all over social media. How would I wait? Here the one, Catherine. Years ago, she eat crab on her belly and bullet. You shit up, Catherine. You're done. When you say Antaraj, they and post it on him story, him shit up. Antaraj, you shit up. Alice don't even give a shit. Alice don't give a shit. Alice don't give a shit. Straight bullshit. But I don't think it's bullshit. It's Alice shit alongside crab shit. No, Bulls wasn't there. Why am I busy? I want 0 shits given. Holy shit. That was that. If I thought that was the secret ingredients, well, I don't know the secret is out now. The secret is out now. It's out. Lad. Shit up, fella. You shit up. Me nah tell you, man, I can't stand this shit, man. It's like a Yankee me turn overnight. Everything a shit. It's a real shitty situation, man. So for everyone who just joining on, I just want to let you know, all I want you to do is, if you want your belly to flow fluently, if you're having a bad day in your stomach, or you know, a little bubbly in your stomach, like you feel like you got gas, all you gotta do is just get a hot beer and a pinch of salt. A hot beer and a pinch of salt does the trick for you, okay? And don't come on my page with your bullshit. I'm not into that shit. I'm not into that shit. Don't come on my page with your shit, okay? No dirty shit house, you know. Move! Yeah, baby, I'm gonna watch it. Select a princess. Lord have mercy. Don't you come to my yard unless you're drawsless. Still getting pum pum regardless. I was born from pum pum. I need some pum pum. Just remember, this is Fat Bojo checking out you on the live. And you don't know how to check out all my singles. You know what I mean? You don't know. You know? I want to be loved, not for who you think I am. Who do you want me to be? Who do you love me for real? Real love. Keep no strings attached. I want to give you my balls. I don't want to take it back. No, this is my chat. I have spent many nights at home. Woman, if it bring contention, I'd rather be in your old. Lord have mercy. Tell them stay we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless. They try, they will see. Who want for the girl pussy? Make we shine like stars above. Lord have mercy. Fat Bojo for the girl them. I don't know. Checking out Alice on the shitty corner. I mean, Hero Circle corner. Lord have mercy. Easy. Tina Chromas. Just don't stay so and pick up your chow. Saying, you don't know. I want to be loved. Not for who you think I am. I want to give you my balls. I don't want to take it back. And this is my chat. Saying,